3 hacks to unlock the secrets of measuring your Google Ads performance and maximizing your return on investment. Hack number 1, set clear goals. Define your key performance indicators and establish measurable objectives for your campaigns. When you know what you're aiming for, tracking success becomes a breeze. Hack number 2, conversion tracking. Implement conversion tracking to measure the actions users take after interacting with your ads. Accurate data empowers you to optimize your campaigns, focusing on what brings the best results. Hack number 3, calculate ROI like a pro. Analyze your ad spend and compare it with the revenue generated from conversions. Understanding your return on investment enables you to make data-driven decisions and amplify your success. Now you possess the expertise to track your Google Ads success and ensure every dollar counts. Thanks for watching, subscribe and follow for more.